Tired of those empty villager trade slots? Let's get your villagers restocking and back in business. The most common villain behind non-restocking trades is a lack of access to their job site block. Make sure your villager can pathfind directly to their workstation, without any obstructions. Sometimes just breaking and replacing the workstation can fix this connection. Next, ensure the villager actually has a profession. If they're a nitwit, they can't trade. Look for them to have a colored tunic and be linked to a job site block. Also, villagers need to be able to sleep. If they're trapped or can't reach their bed, they might not restock. Make sure they have a clear path to a bed and that there's at least one bed nearby for them. Another crucial element is having enough buyers for their goods. If you're the only one trading with them, and they've sold out of everything, they'll need time to replenish. This usually involves them being able to access their workstation and then waiting for a trading session in the game. Sometimes, just waiting is the answer. Villagers typically restock their trades twice per Minecraft. They give it some in-game time, especially if you've recently exhausted their inventory. If you have multiple villagers of the same profession, try isolating the one that's having trouble. Move them to a new location with their own dedicated workstation and bed to rule out any interference from other nearby villagers. Finally, in some rare cases, the villager might be bugged. Try trading with them once to try and force a sync. Or if all else fails, you might need to reprofession them by breaking and replacing their workstation until they get the trade you're looking for. And there you have it. With these steps, your villagers should be back to their trading best. Happy trading!